Good afternoon, students. Today we will start a new chapter. This chapter will be there in your final exam. So the chapter name is Microsoft Word 2010. So what is a Microsoft Word? Previously you have learnt about two types of software. One is application software and another is system software. So under the application software, what we have learned that for different types of applications there are different types of softwares. So Microsoft Word is also an application software that we use to write something. Means if you want to write, say, what do we do generally when we are at home and we don't have a computer? What do? We write in a notebook, okay? But with the help of MS Word, you can write something onto your computer. So a word processor application. It is a word processor application. So what is the definition of Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing software that we can use to type text or write sentences, letters on a computer. Or we can also format, edit and type different types of text document with the help of MS Word. So let us now learn about what we can do with MS Word. Type text as well as add pictures in a document, make changes in the text such as interesting, deleting, copying and moving the text, give a presentable look to the text by using different colors, styles and effects, can keep the document error free by using spelling and grammar feature, find and replace the text, set margins, spacing, paper size, page border easily and give a neat look to the document. Save the text for the future use, print a part of the document or in the entire document. Now all these things that are written, I will show you one by one during your practical classes. That means when you are having the Zoom classes, I will show how to edit a text, how to add pictures to a document, how to add text to a document, how you can save the copy of the document, how you can print the entire document. Okay. So now let's move on to the next topic, starting MS Word. So how you can start a MS Word? So after you have switched on your computer, you can see the start button. You have to click on the start button. From there you have to go to all programs. Under the all programs you have to go, then again you have to scroll and you have to find the Microsoft Office. Under the Microsoft Office you can find the Microsoft Word 2010. Now the next thing that we will learn, you have to click on it. Whenever you will click on Microsoft Word 2010, your MS Word 2010 will open. Now what are the components of the Microsoft Word 2010? So first I will go to the diagram, to the figure that is given in your book. See the figure, you can see the different areas of the document. Okay, now we will learn about these areas. So the first that I am going to tell is, this is called the working area, the place where we will type text, where we will insert different type of pictures or any other thing like tables, or you can add clip arts. This area is called the working area, where you will find, means whatever you are typing you will find it here. The next thing, that is quick access toolbar. You can see in the top left corner, it is quick access toolbar. Here you will find the save option, redo option, undo option, and this whole area is called the application window. See the whole area where we can do any kind of work. This whole area is called the application window. Then you can see the rulers. These rulers are very important because whenever you want to check how much margin is there in a document, or you want to find the middle of the screen, how you can find? You can see the ruler. In the ruler, see the scales are given. So you, according to the scale, you can find the different area working. Means you can go to a particular area of the working area. The next is the title bar. See this one. In this title bar, you can see the current name of the document. Okay. By default, the document name is document 1, document 2. But you can rename it. While you are saving the file, you can rename it with some other name. Okay, so you can find the name of the document here in the title bar. Next is the ribbon. This whole area is called the ribbon. I will show you which one is the ribbon. See this area, this whole area is called the ribbon. where you can find different types of items. Okay, now you can see above that there is this tab. These are called the different tab: home tab, then reference tab, review tab, view tab, and under that you can see the ribbon where you can find the different groups. Under the group you will find different types of items which you can click. Okay, and you can use it in your working area. Then you can see the vertical scroll bar and the horizontal scroll bar here. This is the vertical scroll bar and this area is called the horizontal scroll bar. Okay, so these are the few components of Microsoft Windows MS Word 2010. Now let's go to the ribbon. In the ribbon also there are many areas that you should know. These are called the groups. Under the tab, each and every tab there are different groups. In the font group you can find the different item which you can use to edit the text. Okay, you can change the style of the text, you can change the size of the text, you can change the color of the text. From the paragraph group you can edit your paragraph, okay, with different styles. And this area is called the file tab. If you click on the file tab, what will happen? You will get the option to open a new file, to save a new file, to create a copy of the copy of the same file. Okay, so this is the file tab. Now let us just see few points. Know the fact: the parent software of Microsoft Word is MS Office. The other available word processing softwares are Notepad, WordPad and Word Project 2. In class 2 you have already learnt about the Notepad and WordPad. Okay, so in this class we will learn about MS Word 2010. Now one more thing is that to create a shortcut of MS Word, drag the Word icon from the start menu to the desktop. This one I will show you during your practical classes, how to drag down and create a shortcut menu. Okay. Now let us see the definitions of the different components of the MS Word 2010. First is the title bar. The title bar is on top of the screen. It displays the name of the current document and application in the center. The minimize, maximize and close buttons are placed on the right side of the title bar. Next is the quick access toolbar. It is present on the title bar. It contains the buttons for the most frequently used commands. By default, save, undo, redo appear on the quick access toolbar. We can add more commands in the quick access toolbar as per our need. Then there are few more definitions. You can go through these definitions. The thing is, whatever I have told you in the above, that is only written here. The most important one is, see, you can see this one, ribbon. The ribbon is located just below the title bar. The ribbon contains several tabs on it, such as file, home, insert, page layout, etc. Each tab commands that are arranged into groups. Each group has a set of related command. The Office button of 2007 is replaced by the File tab in Word 2010. The basic feature of Word 2010 are quite similar to the MS Word 2007. Now next is the document area. It is the large area where you can type, edit and format the text. Then next is the ruler. I have told you there are two types of ruler, horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler. Next is the status bar. It displays the page number, number of words, zoom option, etc. So you can see this is the status bar. See, this is called the status bar, okay, where you can see the page number. This area is called the status bar, page number, okay. You can see the page number, number of words, zoom option. See, the zoom option is available here in the status bar. This whole area is called the status bar. This is, see, zoom option is also available, okay. So we will call it as status bar, this one. It is not written in the book, but see this one. Okay, the next thing is scroll bar. The scroll bars are used to scroll, okay, means if you want to go to the upper portion of the document, you can scroll up, and if you want to go to the lower portion, you can scroll down. You can go to the left and right side also using this scroll bar. So in the next class, that is tomorrow, you are having a Zoom class. We will learn about how to create a new document, how to edit a existing document, okay, how to enter the clip art pictures in a document. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.